Ask yourself these questions to understand the quality of your relationship, especially love and married relationships. Do you feel that you're giving too much and receiving less? Do you feel avoided in the relationships? Do you find it very difficult to express your views in relationships? Are you feeling unloved? Do you feel stuck in your relationship? Are your relationships characterized by high levels of internal conflict and emotional stress? In a nutshell, are you unhappy in your relationship? Then continue to watch this video to understand the mystery behind these patterns. To understand more better, you take a closer look into your current or past relationships. You might notice that you display the same kind of behavior in all your relationships. Some of you will realize that you are always trying to please your partner. Others will realize that you are constantly trying to assert control over their partners. You might notice that you usually have an idealized picture of what your partner should be, and so on. This does not just happen by chance. Instead, it is a direct result of your childhood experiences. Isn't it surprising? Do you know that our experiences during childhood play a huge impact on our lives? They form the roots of who we grow to be and are the basis on which we react to different situations in adulthood, including our love lives. Since the moment our minds become capable of understanding the world in the slightest way possible and forming memories, we start watching how the people closest to us, that is our parents, how they relate to us and also to each other. In essence, it is like they're writing a script for us to follow once we grow up. This script predicts how we understand and define love, how we express our love to others and respond to love in our adult life. To explore if you also have these similar childhood experiences resulting in unhealthy love styles, ask yourself the following question and reflect on it. Can you recall being comforted as a child after a time of emotional distress? How you answered that question could reveal a lot about your imprint of intimacy from your early attachment with your parents. This imprint forms your style. Based on these scripts, most of us can be divided into distinct categories based on how we give and express love. You may have been imprinted to avoid, please, vacillate, control, be a victim, or more. Whatever the case, you may have grown up without the healthy, secure foundation that relationships are a safe place for you to go to receive comfort. These categories are known as love styles according to Dr. Milan and K. Erkovich. Love style is a natural tendency for someone to associate and relate to their partners, learned from their primary childhood experiences. Unfortunately, many of us have developed a destructive love style. Understanding your love style and your partner's love style can help you to cultivate better relationships. Destructive love styles shall result in marital dissatisfaction, recurring conflicts, poor parenting practices, poor self-image, and overall unhappiness in life. And the good news is, these patterns can be changed. Ideally, you should aspire to transform yourself to a secure connector such that you become comfortable expressing and receiving love and maintaining a healthy and respectful relationship with your partner. By understanding why you're triggered and why you respond with an attachment style, then you can begin to create healthy relationships. The purpose of understanding these styles is not to label yourself or others. It is to acknowledge the way you approach a relationship so you can move to create healthy connections. It is interesting to note that these love styles play out in our everyday life. It can be observed in many areas of your life, especially in your work life and your relationships with your family or friends. Let's get started by identifying these love styles in our next video. So stay connected to improve your quality of relationship. Best wishes.